28 September 2002 en daar kom klein Mandytjie aan. First, let mine is the box is died.
Yeah. The 10th to the 12th of October, I think it was.
Och, jullie juist zo mooi geworden. Zo'n hondje zo koud. Ja, Mandy. Ja, hallo voor Willem. Dis Willem daar. Kom film 'n bietjie, hou 'n bietjie vas. Nee, die haalspan op my been gekoek. Ze verstaan er glad nie wat van aan nie. Hoe meer sy hardloop, hoe meer lei die klokkie.
Returned home to Budapest and to his family. For Emmanuel, my grandfather Ignaz was the greatest achievement of his life.
Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Dr. Ignaz Sonnenschein, Doctor of Law in the Austro-Hungarian Empire and Kingdom of Hungary, who has graciously come home to live with us. Hurry up, son. There's your mind. Yes, Almighty God, bestow his blessing. So remember, gratitude, my dear father, was woman, perished in a tragic fire. Sonnenschein family to progress in British timekeepers for city lawyers.
On the calendar, and it's a great opportunity to prove how good South African engineers, technicians and drivers and classes are.
Die voertuig is zekerlijk de belangrijkste component van de TD, maar de ondersteuning dient en technische personeel als de hardloop. Aangezien de Afrikanen proberen die tijd maar vol.
Mainly technical people, engineers, technicians, people who built the cars, designed them, were built.
Meneer Anthony, de Afrikaanse span is morgen al terug met nog niet een Afrikaans, nu op EKB 2. Jij nu terug,